You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. A feminine name of Hebrew origin, meaning melody or song or joy. There are two different pronunciations in English. The most common pronunciation is as Rena, okay? But in Hebrew, it's pronounced more as Rena or Rena. So you have two different pronunciations, but the most common one is Rena in English, okay? English pronunciation, Rena. A closer one to Hebrew is Rena. Rena or Rena, how do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know, let everybody know in the comments. It'd be useful to know. Rena or Rena? Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.